Sven'gramz. Take a ride with Grams. I mean, they say it's fucking cold. Yeah, I'm a weatherman today. What up, sis? What up? Was the night? My beautiful sis, Sven'gramz Tarot, and the lioness at Lioness there. Right here's a young elder. What up, soul family? Take a ride with Grams as we just vibe. I'm just showing you. You know, it's probably cold where you live, depending on where you stay at. But in the south, where I'm at, this bitch is motherfucking sunny. Just vibing, taking a ride with me. You know what I mean? It's beautiful outside, bro. Beautiful. Fucking look at this. It's an ugly city, but the sky is beautiful. I'm in a box like a cubicle. This shit like really is fucking like beautiful, really, real life. So I hope you're having a beautiful day. You know what I mean? I'm just showing my city. You know, depending on where you stay at. You know what I mean? Look at the dude into his house. And this bitch is re-gentrified. You know, he changed totally different. I gotta back up, so, you know, hate to say this, but I'm one of the black people that can't back up. Got the music off already, so, but I gotta put the phone down. Hold on. Give me a time. Give me a minute, sir. Give me a minute, sir. In my other car. In my other fucking car. That would be great. I got a motherfucking sun. It's just beautiful outside, bro. No lie. I hope you're having a good day. Real shit. I hope everybody vibing high, bro. I ain't never did took a video outside. But it's beautiful, yo. Real shit. But don't get caught up in the drama. Don't get caught up in nothing. Do your own thing. And I hope everybody having a good fucking day. What up, brother? I love you. What up, sons? My sons, I love y'all. And my soul tribe, I hope all is well. Stay out of this bullshit. Don't even look at no shit. Today, my tea yellow as a motherfucker. I gotta dip my shit in a whole yellow tub of fucking teat sauce. Lord have mercy. Anyway, let's keep our vibe high, our vibration high. Stay away from all the fuckery. Peace to everybody that's in a good spirit. Talking to your soul. Sending love. Little short video to my soul family. I love y'all. Keep vibing high. Keep vibing high. Real shit. I love y'all. We already won. We up. Soul talk. Peace.